Alright, this is part 2. Now we are gonna see how the bird gonna eat it. I know the bird's not gonna eat it when we hear.
Okay.
Birds will know we are gonna capture it. But no, we are not gonna capture it. Alright.
We should hide.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Come on.
Go. Guys, go hide. This pigeon. This way. This daughter. Alright, I'm gonna hide too.
Did you see it? Yes.
Okay, go back. Alright, we are waiting for the bird to eat this bird for food. I mean food, not the bird. Another bird. So, a bird now gonna eat the food. Just we are gonna wait. And just be quiet. Guys, be quiet. Alright? Alright. Okay, break time is now done. Alright, the bird is not here yet. It's gonna be a long time. Zip your mouth, and the birds are gonna come and hide now. Alright, we are gonna hide right now. Alright, we hide and the bird's still not coming. So we need to end this now. And like and subscribe for part 3. Alright, bye now.